Don't invite yet. Yes, you heard it right. Don't invite anyone to join Atomy. Well, at least not yet. I know that sounds shocking, but stay with me. Because if you skip the foundation, you'll only build frustration. And I want you to build your Atomy journey with confidence, not confusion. So today I'll teach you the 7 things you must do first. So when you finally invite, you invite with strength, clarity, and excitement. So let's begin. When I was new, I made the mistake of inviting too early. I was excited, I was hopeful, but I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't understand PV, I didn't know the system. I could answer some questions, yes, but I was really rooting for my uplines to answer them for me. And that made me anxious and embarrassed. I don't want that for you. And I want you to feel steady, prepared, and empowered. So these 7 steps, they are your foundation. Before you invite anyone, you need to know what Atomy really is. Not just the products, not just the compensation plan, but the vision, the philosophy, and the why behind the company. Atomy is built on 2 pillars, absolute quality and absolute price, that must roll off your tongue naturally and confidently. Because when people ask, what is Atomy? You should answer with clarity and not with hesitation. Know the company, know its mission, know the culture. Strong roots equals strong confidence. Listen, you cannot invite people to something you don't even use. You must experience it yourself. Be a real user, a real consumer, and a real smart shopper. When you use the product, your sharing becomes natural. Your confidence becomes real. Your story becomes believable. People trust your lifestyle, not your sales pitch. So use it, live it, experience it. Then inviting becomes joyful and not forced. This is where many new members quit because they feel lost. But here's the good news. The Atomy system is simple once you break it down. You need to know what personal PV is, what group PV is, when commissions flush, what 10,000 PV means, what 300,000 PV means, what 700,000 PV does for your daily earning potential. If you don't understand the system, you'll always feel scared to invite. But the moment you understand it, everything clicks. You suddenly feel, ay, kaya ko pala. I can explain this. And confidence is contagious. Atomy is not a selling company. It is not a recruitment company. It is a consumption-based system, a smart shopper lifestyle. Our culture is use what you love, share what works for you. That's it. We do not push people. We do not pressure the way traditional MLMs do. If you don't understand this approach, you might accidentally scare people away by selling. Your mission? Share from the heart because you know something good. Atomy is not a solo journey. You can't do this alone, and you shouldn't. Your upline is your partner, your guide, your support system. Build communication, ask questions, observe how they teach, learn how they guide. When you work with your upline, you duplicate faster, easier, and more effectively. This is a team business, not an individual race. Now this is powerful because without a why, you will quit when things get hard. Ask yourself, why am I doing Atomy? For my health, for my family, for financial freedom, for my second life? Your why gives you emotional strength. It keeps you going when people say no. It keeps you steady when results are still small. And it gives you meaning to every step you take. This one is everything. You're not recruiting people. You're not chasing people. You're guiding. You are inviting. You are sharing a lifestyle that changes your life. Shift your mindset from pressure to passion, from selling to serving, from fear to confidence. When your mindset is right, inviting becomes easy because it's no longer about you. It's about helping another person become a smart shopper too. When you do these 7 steps, something beautiful happens. You stop feeling shy, you stop feeling scared, and you stop second guessing yourself. And you finally feel ready. Ready to invite, ready to guide, and ready to grow your Atomy journey with confidence. So before you invite, make your foundation strong. Build your understanding, build your confidence, and build your lifestyle as a real smart shopper. If this helped you, stay with me here on Atomy's Us. I'm here to mentor you, guide you, and walk with you step by step. Subscribe and share this video. I'll see you in the next lesson.